wait a sec. I forgot to test the chat. Let's see. Okay. 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 Before we start, I just want to kind of show off what I did the past few days. The past few days, I had like full day work, so I wasn't able to make much progress. But I just want to show you that. Well, why is it blue? Why is it when my flower has bloomed? A lot of my flowers are planted because of a game. It inspired me, like from a game I like. And I also made new sets of clothes for Chile of his baby version. Like the hot glue for this one fell off and I don't really like it, so I embroidered the details instead, which is much better. And this is just eating him into the abyss. Okay. Oh, and that's today's music thing. Can I edit this while I'm still alive? I won't risk it. Anyways, let's get started. Hopefully we can get the cutscenes done today. There's only just 2 more areas where we have to code some stuff. Oh yeah, firstly, let's fix his shadow. It's a bit... Wait, sorry, my voice isn't the best today. This is testing. Firstly, we have to update his shadows so that when he runs upwards, it kind of moves like this as well. Right now, it's just stuck like here. Let's see. This is the player's default shadow set. And to make it, I have to make it, is that real? I think it's the ID number of the event. It's a bit confusing. Hello? Is my mouth working? Okay. I think I changed this a bit. Yeah, over here 4. Kage 4 and 4 should be this. Yes. One question though. I named him this, so do I just copy this? What's this event's ID? I'm not too sure. Okay. Why is... There's something weird. When I right click, it's... Okay, now it shows up. Just when I complete. I was gonna say when I right click, this like option isn't showing up. Okay, let's see if that works. Just to test it out. It should be easy, like just putting the code in between the part he's running. Yeah, I don't know this ID's number. Is there a way to check? Oh, it's over here, 44. So instead of this, see, it's not showing out the edit button. I gotta press a bit. Hopefully it's not my mouse problem. I don't want to change the mouse. It's troublesome to get new electronics. Oh, hey Annas. I want to ask you, is it easy or hard to learn making games through RPG Maker? I would say it's quite easy. Like, super depends. What kind of genre do you want to make? Like, RPG Maker. What's it called? Tutorials. There's so many tutorials. I followed this one, and basically it helped me do everything. And you know, if you search any problems online, what's this thing? Oh yeah. If you search any problems online, because like RPG Maker is a very old game maker engine, so you get a lot of help. Like any issues you face, someone else might already faced it. So I think it's pretty easy, but still depends on yourself, I guess, how much time you can spend working on this. Let's see. Oh, I should stop closing it without a reason. Yeah. And yeah, RPG makers. Oh, oops, I got too close. It's just cute, I guess. It's a cute engine. I mean, you can make a horror game. You know what's it called? Fear and Hunger. It's not a cute game, but it's made with RPG Maker. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, only 2 blocks where it changes. What is this? Is it something to do with my Visual Studio Build? Why do I get this error? I'll search it up later if it shows up, but I'm gonna fix the shadow. What about this though? I guess it's over here. Move. The shadow changes on these 2 blocks. So 1, 2, 3. I think we have to remove 3 of these. Again, my mouse is acting a bit strange. I'm right-clicking, but it's not showing up. It works fine on my mouse board, but not my separate mouse. I wonder why. Let me delete 3 of these. Oh, did I delete one? I did not. No. Delete. No. 1, 2, 3. And I guess I have to just do it individually. No, please don't break my mouse. The music sounds really loud on my side, so I think it's a bit louder than usual. I'll decrease it slightly. Okay. So shadow. Oh, yes. The shadow. It's right here. If it's a bit colored. Yes, this one, 12. 12 is here. That's the Y coordinate. Copy this one. If my mouse wants to work. Copy. Oops. So paste. Move up. And next one is this one. Yeah. This one's open. Yes, and make sure make sure this one is event 44. Yes, ID event 44. This one as well. Instead of player 44. Okay. And the last one, we just gotta erase the shadow at the top. And then we can test it out how it looks like if it works. Yes. Oh. Traveling. This command is to make all of the shadows disappear. Let me check if I have any documents of what that thing is. Event shadow. This is the plugin I'm using. Let me check. Shadow settings. Visibility. If you want to toggle, I want to toggle this individually, not everything. This thing, but wait. Maybe change the shadow opacity instead to 0. No, the option's not here. Oh wait, no. Type? Real circle? No. None? If you set it to none. Okay, let's try that. To none. So copy the same thing. Edit. And I'll change it with the player shadow settings as well. And delete this instead. Okay, let's see if that works. Close this one. This error shows up again. Profile error occurred. I'll copy this. I think it might be due to a plugin or something. Just copy this thing. See, like, the issue I'm facing. A lot of people already asked the same question. When I go to my playtest, okay. Did not work, same message. It means at some point. Okay. Like, because I do computer science, so maybe I updated like my JavaScript thing, my coding thing, this thing. But I still want to remove it. It's kind of annoying. Fix it. Okay. I do not know where's that. Oh, you see all my secret. Wait, let me hide my screen just so that you won't see my files for a moment. Where is that? Wait a moment. Local app data. Okay, what next? Yeah, I think it's a good idea to hide it. NWJS. NWJS. I found it. Delete it? Are you sure? What's inside? Where is it? Instead of deleting it, I'll just paste it into my downloads for now. And then... Oh, I cannot do that. Is it because this notification's on? Let me try again. Wait a moment. I still can't move it. Then let me try deleting it. I still can't. I think that's because of RPG Maker. Let's test the shadow thing first. Hi Wayne. How you doing? Ah, I keep up. Let me remove the thing. I set the traps default will always fall down. Edit. I think it was 3. There's 1 out of 3 chances that the chandelier will fall. Basically. Okay. Okay, and I think it should work for this guy too, but he can't run up now because the thing's blocking his way. Oh, where'd he go? He disappeared. I'll bring the cat in just to turn the value up. Hi Eddie Hato. How you guys doing? I'm just doing the same old thing. Oops. 10? What do you mean 10? Wait, that thing activated again. No. I think I was too close. Change the spot point. Here. My mouse really is a little broken. It doesn't click on the right side. Okay. Just briefly surviving. I hate high temperature. Is it hot where you are? Because it's like really cold where I am now. It's winter in Australia. I feel like I get more lazy in the cold, but but if it's warm, I'm not really bothered. Okay, this works. Let's see if his shadow works. Not sure if I can catch up to him though. It's not disappearing. I think it's just because I typed something wrong, but otherwise it looks fine. I think I did type the right thing. It's set to none. Is it such a huge thing? What? It's gonna be 35 degrees? That's such a high temperature. Do you have like a fan or something at least? Not, I mean, air conditioning might be expensive, I don't know, but hopefully find a good way to chill down for where you are. Hey, I spelled none wrong. Is that why it works? And is spelling it wrong the correct way? Let me spell this incorrectly too, and see if maybe that will work. Charm of summer. It's global warming. Everyone try to be as environmentally aware as possible. I'm gonna see if his shadow disappears. Yay, works. Okay, one stuff fixed. Where's my thing? Is it here? World? What? No issues with functionalities. No, just change the circle for. Change the thing. What's it called? Shadow. This one should be fine. And move these here. Not quite. What do we do if we want everything? Let me check the code again. Oh yeah, Ali Hato. And how are you doing? Fighting with the stairs? I think the stairs is pretty much done now. So right now I'm just adding the cutscenes or functionality for 2 more maps. And then we'll be done with the prologue area, which is good. And I'm just checking how to use the plugin again. Let me check. No. Keep it there. What is your ID now? 94. 94. Thanks to Eddie Hato. 91. Now testing the shadows for this area. Okay, yeah. Oops. Get out. Wait. Why aren't you moving? He's supposed to move. Oh, I think it's because I don't have the diary. It doesn't work quite well if I don't start from this very start. Alright, let's go to the very start. Oh yeah, I gotta buff the stamina. Actually, I'll do it right now. I'm gonna forget if I don't. Do it now. Common event. This is how the stamina is done. I kind of copied it. I didn't create this system. Update stamina. When you're walking, increase this standing. Maybe to 8. No, not 5. And when you're standing, maybe 10. If okay, so hopefully when I reopen this, it'll be faster to regain the stamina. Cutscene. I'm gonna skip it a little, turn around. And then you can't quite chase him. Run! Where is he? He's there. Make sure not to die here. Okay. And see, running out of stamina so quickly. Okay. And just test this thing one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, a secret dialogue. If you stand there and stare at him. And then he continues, runs away. Don't go there. That will die. Here. Oh, I gotta update here the stamina height. Let me check the previous page. The stamina height, is it already declared here? Okay. It needs to go to the default one. I think it's this one. Copy this one and paste it here. And that should fix the sweating thing. Okay, nothing too long. And then change the shadow here again. But let me check the stamina running already. Oops. I'm gonna stand on here. Okay, it just kind of doesn't work if I do it in the default testing. Let me run a bit. Yep, see the sweating thing is fixed. And okay, yep, it's kinda, yeah, it kind of made it a bit weird. What else? Is that done? Yes, shadow just circle, no issues with the coding. Now we can go to the next floor. The shadow, should I do it a circle? Because this area doesn't quite have a one light direction. Maybe I'll do the same shadow direction as inside of the glass house, which is backwards. Well, it would look weird. I don't know. Let me check the stamina thing. The stamina height. That looks alright here. I'll just do that for now. Shadows. This one copy. Oh. Okay. This place doesn't have any weather effects. I guess that's fine. Then I'll copy this one. Yeah, no weathers. No weathers. Okay. And if the player wants to return, they're not allowed to, I guess. It'd be troublesome because the settings here would be different. Honestly, an excuse. Just not everything needs to be her talking, should it? I still haven't quite established the dialogue. Is it fully her narration, her thoughts, or would there be some neutral entity like narration? Not her thoughts, but actual narration. I think I'll just do it normally. Okay, this one's her thoughts. I've come so far. So far. I should look far. Oh boy. Okay. And then below character section button. I'll copy the dialog from here. 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 Copy. Okay. Okay, now let's choose her expression. Okay, the expressions. I want her to still be in this B pose, so we gotta change that. Face, no, not okay. Okay. Her eyes should look maybe the determined one. Copy this. Her mouth. She's just thinking in her head right now. This one could work. Yeah, this one works. We see that thing, and we're gonna hide her sprites now. Which I also do not know what the code is. This one, fade out. And then let's see. The icon. This one. Here. I think I should try to establish something first though. What the icon means. Icon. But here act indicator. Table to the right. Just so that it might be less confusing for the player if they want to think what the song is. It is 7 o'clock. I'm in my room. Street. Okay. And let's get the picture out. It's in the system. No, that's not it. Oh, is it? It's over here. Copy and paste it in here. And this draw. Let me get one. Drawing tablet. Okay. Is my model okay? I can expect. It always goes to that weird frame. I keep just connecting the tablet right now, and I need to change. Tablet connects. Oh wait, the shower's not locked in. Why aren't you connecting? Go. Okay. I think it's connected. Oops. This one? Okay. Roll. This one is for interactions with companion, like eat a lot, hug, and I think I want her to hug. The two main characters to hug at some point, you know, just to comfort each other. Cora and Uncas. And give me some animations for the flower field area. I want them to make like flower crowns for each other. I think that would be really cute. Neat key, maybe? Have key. This is to get item. Get item. And the colors just, I guess, depend on which character it is. The eyes should be like a special, a dialogue. Not sure if that's with NPCs or something. Dialogue. Character, what's it called? Character, like dots? Dots. Observation. This one was just to test it out. I don't think I'll use it. The eyes could be changing the view. It's like maybe there's some more cinematic scenery, beautiful sceneries where we'll zoom the camera. But I already done that by default. Like, you know. So why would this be any different? Let's see, observe, see slash observe. I'm not sure how this would be different with this. But maybe just our smaller details. And this one, I'm not too sure. Maybe there'll be quests in the village or something. Quests? It's not, my game won't have really quests. It's just more like small details, I guess. And let me just take a note what number they are. one, I think it's just numbered after which number they are on in the picture. Yeah, I need a springs. Okay. 1. Okay. So this one's 1. 1 action icon. And I'll paste it in here. And just for easy reference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'll just add more if I need there to be. Okay, a bit sidetracked, but let's get back. So I want it to be 2. Yeah, it is 2. Action button. Okay. I've come so far. I should look for him. I guess. Let's see if there's anything wrong visually. I've come so. Oh wait, the mouth is different. That's not the mouth I wanted to show. I want a small one. This. Eh? Oh, it is this one. It's just hard to see the scale. A smaller mouth than this. And yeah, and it's a bit similar. I guess O would fit better to the shape I want. Okay, just a simple O. Yeah, the mouse is still acting weird. Oh, wait a second. Actually, how about if we already interacted with this, it can change to a black icon so that the player knows that they already interacted with it before. I kind of like that. It'll be useful, I think. So it'll be the same text, but just the color here will be different. So the player would know. New self switch A on. And that should work. Okay, yeah. It'll be useful in the long run, I guess. So right now we're gonna do kind of a little quest. This one. Was it always Caroline speaking here? I think it's just a default image. Let me check. The corridor. Wait, this is not the corridor. Go back. Oh. I activated this in another direction. Didn't know this can happen. Hi. I'll get. Oh no. Gonna double check if this happens. Here. This one, I want to change it to the neutral number. No. The neutral message, which is certain difference of this too. This one or this one. Maybe this one. So image one. One. And also we need 3 spaces in front. 1, 2, 3. Over here as well. One. Like up the row. Okay, there is spacing here. Yes. Okay, then we gotta if there'll be issues if you walk backwards. Okay, go back. Okay, nothing wrong yet. Nothing wrong here as well. Yo. Okay. Walk here and go back. See if there will be the same issue. Hopefully not. There's an issue. Wow. Well, I know why. I know why. No big deal. I think it's over here. Yes. I don't think I should switch it off. I should just delete the parallax thing. And where's the file? It's gone. Overnight. This one should not. Actually, I don't even need to do it then. I can just change it in here. Just in case we might still need it. And that should fix the issue. Let's see. You can hear the pets. Oh wait, strange that you can't hear anything. Okay. Maybe it's just YouTube being weird. Nah. I think the audio is fine just now. Okay. You were just checking if this works. Okay. Out. Back in. What? No. Why is this? Hey, this didn't delete properly. Okay. Let me double check. Did I not save the thing correctly? Oops, I forgot to get the sprint button. Oh well. Okay. Minsley, now I think it's my headphones for the company. Says there's no issues. I sent them in. You mean you're hearing it? I sent them in to get fixed a while ago, but nothing got fixed. Is that allowed? You should tell them that it's not working. There's no sprinting. Wait, is there? Oh, there is. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, no issue here. Let's go back to where we were. What was I doing? I kind of forgot. Well, let's see. The shadow looks fine just now, I think. I think we're messing around with the items. Let me see. Change roll item +1. Over here, you're supposed to break it open. So maybe over here, edit. And I want it to be a bit of subversion of expectations. Number 4. Right, number 1. You think you need to find a key, but actually you can just open it with a rock. Or maybe I'll do it multiple ways. You can find a key behind a tree or something. But then I gotta draw the key. Nah, I'll just leave it as a rock. Okay. Okay, checking the images again. I want this pose this time. Also, it needs some sound effect here. I want to use this one, the cute eye that I drew last time. I wonder. This one. Edit. It's locked from the inside. Compensate. So I might need something. Oh wait, Minsley said something. Well, yeah, I asked if I can change for a new pair, and they say just reset because we found no issue, so we can get a change. Update the driver. iPad doesn't have pending updates. That's weird. It's hard to know what an IT issue is if you can't have the thing in front of you, I guess. And something I'll look for something that might be useful here. Okay. Let me this one. We need the interaction thing. And if you got a rock, wait, so switch. I need this still. Should I? No. Then how should I do this? Because it's possible for the player to already have a rock if they pick it up beforehand. I need a conditional branch though. If Item, item, item. Rock. If party has rock. Okay. Edit out. There. To be happy. Yes. Why not? Make her a bit more happier. If, the player already gotten it wrong. It's like, yay. But if the player doesn't have it wrong, she won't really react much. This one, smile. Smile. No. Smile. Smile. Should I? Oops, don't undo. Okay. Copy. Paste. So she's smiling. I can use this. And then sound effect. We need sound effects. Oh, I can put this just as a placeholder. Sound effects, glass break. Okay. And then activate. We need another switch to activate the door thing. Did I create one already? I don't. I'm gonna create a neutral switch. New switch. What switch now you mean? There's so many. Trap switch 9 ID 30. Yeah. Bro, and start. Okay. Prep switch 9, turn it on. Okay. If not, it'll fade out. Go to control switch A. And then we'll change the action indicator to the exclamation mark. 11. So the player knows this is how you progress the story, I guess. The text depends. I can change it a little. I'll look for something useful. Oops, undo. There's no undo button. One thing bad about RPG Maker is that there's no undo button. Right. Mm, hmm. I want this one to be slightly different. New event name. Sound effect. Yeah, I want plain and simple. Tring. And then open the switch. And this one, when it is not this anymore. Yes, if this is on, you just change the color to this. And I guess change it back to this, number 4 to 2. Change it to 2. I did. 2. No, let me just change it a bit. Now switch B. Sound effect as a B. Switch A. F. And no. Okay, whatever. It's not that much of a difference anyways. This is just one time. If you got an item and ready. Okay. Let's try. Go here. Get. No, I don't have to get a rock from there. Actually, I didn't even need to start from here. Whatever. Yeah, okay. 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 You can go upwards here, double checking. It's an expression, right? Looks alright. Okay. If we don't have a rock, it's locked from the inside. I'll look for something that might be useful here. This icon is really small though. Locked from the inside. Okay, so we get the rock. And go here. Oh, the icons changed. Do I want that? I think I'll keep it as an exclamation mark, which is 11, I think. Okay. Mm, and new thing. New self switch. Z, which is basically nothing. Not exactly nothing. Oops. Self switch C. For now, just for testing purposes, I'll change this icon to like a heart shape. Okay. Close this thing. We can just start from here. Okay. If we got nothing, okay, we go get the thing. Nope. Why is it still this icon? Let me check. And the music's up. Let me see. Which one should I use? Have I heard of this one before? These backgrounds are AI art though, I think. I noticed a lot of royalty-free music that using AI art, but hopefully the music isn't. Is this too upbeat? It's quite upbeat beats. I'll just keep it for now. Beat is fine, it's nice, but personally I prefer a bit more chill. And is the audio okay? I think so. Can you guys even hear the background music? Oh wow. Let's focus. If I got an item and already a 11. 11 should be this. Oh no, let's stay with item. But if you just got a rock, it would be number 2. Which we don't want. We want it to keep it 11. Go to self switch C. Hmm. Just go straight to C. P, yeah, it's a bit pointless for this one. I'll delete this one. Okay. Nothing against this music, but it's a bit hype for me right now. It's a bit too hype. Okay. 8-bit music. These spice, these number. Why YouTube gamifying chat? Wait, what numbers? Like for 8-bit music, I'm not sure which one's like copyright free. So I just stick to this one for now, but I guess for the next stream I'll see if there's any copyright free 8-bit music. Oh no, an ad. Like this channel, I can use it without any issues with the copyright. Okay, that's relaxing enough, I guess. Yeah, a Christmas one's a bit out of place, but it's okay. Now, where were we? Do we have? Oops, we do have a rock already. Why am I not interacting with this? Oh, it already broke, but there was no audio cue. Obviously, because I haven't made audio cue, but the player wouldn't know. Okay, at least we know this one works. Also, I want to like monetize this live stream so that maybe I'll be able to get voice acting, like slight voice acting, not full voice acting, for this game. Okay, let's get this rock. Yeah. Hey, that's not supposed to happen. You're supposed to do a dialogue. The logic here's a little broken. Let me redo this. I don't like it. No. A new one. Okay, below character. By default, you must get this conversation. It's mandatory. Okay, so it's gonna check if you already have a rock. If you have a rock, I can use this. You break it, you go straight to C. C is not nothing. C, but for now we'll do a heart shape. Because C is going inside. Go to switch. If not, you just fade it out to switch thing. Is there a closed eye thinking kind of sprite here? No. It's fine. You don't need too much dialogue. Oh wait, let me see. Crack dealer. Let's see. Yeah, granting those kind of noises. Cause yeah, I don't know. It might be a bit overkill to have full voice acting for such a small game. But I feel like having grunting sounds would make it feel just a bit more live. That's why I just want really partial voice acting in here. Okay. Switch to new event page. Switch A. Okay, switch A will be number 4. Switch A will be 11. And the same thing. If you have rock, Sunbreak, Grassbreak. Technically, I don't need switch C. I can just go to here. Does this need to be parallel? I'm not sure. Okay, whatever. Close this. Close that. Self-switching. If not, if there's no rock, she's just kind of gonna repeat this. Okay, that should work. No rock. Interact. Okay. We broke the thing, but I guess we just need to switch it to parallel. Sometimes I'm still not 100% sure how stuff works in RPG Maker, but I think I'm getting there. Get this, but okay. Okay. Oh no, I forgot to erase the sprite. Where's one. It was kind of flashing again. How did I fix it the other time? Wait a second. How did I do it again? Okay, this one's the thing. 0? 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Just set it to 0. This one is 0. Just wanted to make sure. Yeah. Okay, I want to draw something on the ground or something. Because the character head kind of blocks. You can't see if there's any differences. And the player might accidentally just press action button so they won't quite see. I don't know. There'll be audio, so I think it'll be fine. Whatever. Okay, that's fine. No need to draw anything new for now. Like that. I don't like it's parallel. I think I have to change back to action button and change it to self-switch C again so that I can reuse that event. Now let's change the comment to 2 or 7. Should this? No, just 2. 2. Yes. Sound effect. Bits. No. Lip sound. Open door. And then teleport. To here. It's the right hand side of the there. Oh, it's the brown here. I think that's fine. Okay, okay. Try it again. Wrong. I think I'm just missing something. Self switch. It's still self switching. Self switch. Or it's still exclamation mark, which is what I want. And it's not teleporting me either. That happens when I'm on Command A. Command A. It's not quite going here. Oh, wait, no. Why is it? Wait, sorry, but nah, this isn't suited either. A bit too hyped. It's like 8 p.m. right now. Listening to hype music will tire me out a little bit. Is this chill? And let me check the comments. Hello, David Draws. What's up? Feel free to share your progress in your drawing, or if you're a game developer too, also feel free to share that. Right now, I'm just changing the background music because the previous one was a bit too hype. Because it's nighttime, I don't want to be hyped, you know. I just want to chill. Okay, let's see. No, this is so hype. Good music, but too hype. Is this one? I think that one's okay enough. Anyways, get back to this. So switch. See. Just for testing. Oops. No. Yeah. Mhm. Okay, this one works. And then let's test it again. If we like this, then we go here, then we open it up. Well, it clearly didn't go to C. And self switches. Do I have to turn off self switching or something? And this should maybe work. I thought it would just replace each other because there's only one self switch. Click this. Yep. Okay. Okay, we just have to turn it off. One more cutscene to go until we finish the so-called prologue. Yep. Yes. Okay. This one, we're gonna meet the boy. What I find out is slightly a bit complicated. I want her to go into the house and no one's there. And then they go out and he's like under the what's it called? Carriage? What should I change it? See, I got the whole kind of script. I think I had longer script, but it's just moving this to OneNote. I just changed a bit. Wait, what's this? Outside manner. Yeah, that's text. Any more dialogues I'm missing or forgetting to add? What's this? All way to what? How does this mean? Banging sound. Oh no, that's just in the corridor. Should I stick to the initial plan? Could be a bit tricky to implement, but shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, it should be fine. We need to now create a new event to go inside of the carriage. Action button. Okay, action button, teleport to inside of the carriage. Here. Okay, this is where it will be a bit more tricky to code, because like this map will be like a common place where they return quite a few times. I almost want to create a new plugin to read from a file instead of using a lot of variables. It's using a lot of variables kind of troublesome. Thanks. Thank you. Like, how do we activate the dialog which won't be accidentally activated when you return here in another time? First thing, you gotta hide this down. Empty. Oh, this one needs to be not here too. Yeah. I guess I can just make this a different map. One map for each, since the background is different too. I guess it'll be fine. Amori is such a huge game and there's no issue with the file size, so it doesn't matter if I got redundant maps, I guess. I think I'll do that just to make coding simpler for me. Yes, delete this please. Copy, paste. We're gonna enter this map instead. Number 6. Number 6. And we gotta update that map because the background got the diary and the main character is supposed to have the... No, the diary's not supposed to be that new. Turn on the Wacom now. Okay. Over here, we're gonna erase the things on the table. And I guess by doing this, we can create more variation in the interior, which might make it more cute, I guess. More interesting to look at. Okay. Okay. Items. It's kind of good. No. Okay, here's item. Most decorations stuff. I'll duplicate it. Which one's the duplicated one? The first one. Edit. Edit. How do I change? Stuff. A. And can I select? I want to erase delete. Cut. I think it's cut, but I just turned off. Yeah. Cut. Cut. What is this? Oh, that's just a napkin. Grapes, napkin, and apple. I was like wondering what is this napkin, but I forgot. I do not want this. I want to make this seem a bit more empty. Move around some stuff. And it's just a pen. A pencil? I don't know. What era uses this? This one will come here. The kettle, I can move that too. Oh, it's so cute moving stuff around. Wait, the kettle's not part of this folder? Then where's the kettle here? Oh no, I think the kettle's kind of stuck in the background. Nah, whatever. Okay. I'm so inconsistent in like doing stuff like here. I guess I can erase the fishes. Maybe. Where is that? Here, I don't want this one. The paper. Wait, wrong layer. I can't. No paper. And then make sure it looks okay, because like this, erase the color. Somewhere here. Erase this. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now just save this. Not these. Yes, just. Is this right? I'll check. I'll check the current overlay. File export PNG. Oops, no. Where is it? Oh man, I pinned it here. Why isn't it here? Not the copies. I'll have to go to desktop. Desktop, photo game, image, browse. But I believe it's round 6, yes. And yeah, I also have to duplicate the rest. Like over here. The shadow. Oh, shadows, that's the light. Copy, paste. 6. And that should do it. Try it out. I want to get rid of this thing. I should have just started inside. just spawn right in. I guess all three of these can have the bug thing to enter. And then we can have a bit of... Hey, this is the wrong spot. You teleported into the wrong spot. It's supposed to be map 6, not 1. Here. And it looks like still... I think that's because of the parallax. We can ignore the parallax. And it should work fine. Wait, did I just spawn here? I wanna spawn me here. And I want to throw glasses on the floor. Yes, glass on the floor. To show that we broke the door thingy. Here. And before we do that, just check. Okay, but the map shouldn't be showing though. I'll just delete it. And that should be fine. And then should have a dialogue. The player can investigate here a little. Oh, how about I made the sheets perfect, but then from when they travel together, it will always reflip because she's a bit more less neat, I guess. Not to be mean to her, I just think it's a cute detail. Okay, firstly, the teleport. You teleport in. What's it here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, the teleport is correct. Cancel. It's just that when I was debugging, it teleports to a slightly different place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 8th tile. On the 8th tile. Where's it? Erase the shadows. What is this layer? That is also a shadow thing. We can keep that. That's some foreground thing. New layer. Filter. Glass. Okay. Do I? Okay, I have the reference. Let's get it. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just some shattered glass on the floor. I thought I drew that before, but I guess not. Yes, this is glass. How do you draw shattered glass? Creepy thinking. The line is too thick. Small details. And just it's not an important. Very perhaps. Just wanna see. It's not. Just for reference. What shapes are they? It's kind of random geometric shapes. Seems a bit consistent. Depends. And beaker? That's too big. There's just more glass here. Don't need to overdo it since she just did a small hole in the kind of wall. Not wall. Yeah, just a little bit. Why is it all triangles? That's not right. Small detail. Okay. Yes, somewhat. Okay. And just erase this. Turn off the reference slightly. Okay. No objects to transform. Oh yeah, that's true. One more tiny glass. And color it. Lower the opacity because that's how you do glass. The glass didn't have any color. Yeah, I mean technically there's a bit of color. White. Okay. Export single layer. Still not in here. Overlay. Replace this one. Please. Okay. Okay. Were there any other stuff that we mentioned that needs to be fixed? I guess we need the option to get out to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The player can go out if they want to, like try not to limit them. Transfer player out to here. Player entrance tree here. Here, I guess we can do a dialogue now. It is a new cutscene. Go back here. here. Let's see number. 7. Enter the page. Exit the carriage. And then we'll talk to the guy. It'll be a full cutscene. No. Whatever. 7. Cutscene 7. You only can activate cutscene 7 once. I mean, enter and exit. It's a bit redundant. Technically, if you entered it, you have to exit it since he's inside. So, control switches, cutscene number. Wait, where's cutscene number? Oh no, it's variables, not switches. Yeah. Turn it to 7. So anchors will be outside, kind of hiding. Oopsie. I cannot undo this. I accidentally reordered this stuff. Don't. Shift? What does shift mean? No. Get out. I don't want to be in here. Oh no. The order of this map. Oh. This isn't the way I want it now. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, whatever. So, back where we are. I'll copy this. He is where should he hide? At the corner here. Under, it'll be a bit tricky to draw him under here. Under the wagon. I'll just do this. He's like crawling out. Something. It's a bit tricky to draw chibi and crawling out. I guess you just walk out so it looks. Oh, I'll try maybe. And then he's not visible until you enter it. So by default you cannot see him until you enter here. So you are invincible. Do we code it to get out? Not yet. I thought we did. Whatever. transfer player back outside, which I don't know which one is here. Here. We need the action indicator again. Here. Copy. And here. Obviously some sound effects, so in here. Oh wait, that's what I was wanting to do. I was gonna say that I changed the bed a little, right? Almost forgot about it. If only it's separate properly though. Okay, it's part here, so it should be okay to edit it. Just need to find which line it is. Here. Gonna change it a bit. Make it neat and tidy. I don't know, the line is kind of the same as the level as this line, so that's not quite good. So it's slightly higher, which you can't quite tell. It's a bit too over there. Nice and tucked in. But over here.
你挺漂亮。
The line art is kind of thin here. What is this line? I guess just like to show thickness of the bed. Should be fine to just keep it in, right? Or should I erase it? Doesn't look too flat. It looks fine. Erase now here. Okay, nice and neat. Here. Oops, no. This way. Yes. Yep. Okay. So now the player will be able to observe a little, like what the inside's like. And okay, wait a second. No. over here. This red thing is visible. I cannot have it. Where was the... erase this one? No. Yeah, perfect. And that thing's still there? Yeah. Overlay. And yeah, so the red dot was just what we before. Okay, so that should be fixed. Go back in here. Change this. Can I change height of the icon? I remember it's different from the coding of the sweat thing. So yes, I did use some kind of plugin to change the height of where that shows. Unpin this. And unpin that because we're using another copy. I guess plugins. I used a friendly AI, but what was the code? Filter controller. I don't think that I'm using that one at the moment. Oopsie. Did I just change inside of here? I can delete these elements. I'll check. Where is it? Here. Anyways, why we are entering here? You're walking all over the bed with shoes on. Here, bit offset. How do I change offset down? Oh no. What's this? Yeah. I should be able to change it. But not right now. Let me see. Nah, I'll do it right now. Also fix this thing. Lower version. Yeah. For now. Okay, let me fix this thing, but I don't want you guys to see my files, so hide for a moment. You guys probably seen everything of my files, just in case. How to use user data. There's no user data. Patching? People. Web data and data journal. I don't want to delete these. I'll just search for tutorial. Like video tutorial. Is there any voice? Oh, it's so blurry. Wait, no, this is Google Chrome. User data default web. There's so much stuff to do. What do I do first? I'll do that later. Wait, what? I got muted. I think you should be able to hear me. I think I just... Yeah, I muted that video just now because I'm not sure what it sounds like. But I turn on the caption. The icon suggests some. Okay, I'll do that later. I'll put it in my to-do list. It's good to have a to-do list because sometimes you need to do multiple stuff. And it's just a bit overwhelming. Can I not paste in a normal text? Whatever. Today's date. Okay. Forget about this for now. It's a bit annoying, but I'll deal with that later. Focus on the cutscene. I guess she can react to these. She can react to that thingy. And this. Oh yeah, I think we fixed that a few days ago. Right? When was the last stream? Let me check. Like 28. Yeah, we fixed it a while ago. Yeah, we're doing this today. We've done this. Fine, I'll add little green. Should I? I feel like it's fine to not have the weather effect on every single map. Let's just install this one. quite done with the. No, we're done with the garden, I think. Oh well, I already put that there. Yeah. Almost 4 months later, I've done it. Right. This one would be dropped since it's a bit different now. Change one. Okay. Yeah. There's getting lesser and lesser stuff to do. Back to here. So over here, player can see. Just some dialogue. Turn right. Because we're looking at these stuff. Turn. Here. Yeah, just turn right. That's all. And then get some dialogue. Wait. Okay, Takahashi, hello again. Hi, thanks again for a nice and calm streaming. What percentage of the total have been completed? For the prologue, I think we're 90% done. And the prologue, where's the map? Did I not paste the map in here? Wait a moment, I'm bringing up the thing. Wait a second. The prologue is 90% done. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 out of 7 done, technically. Which is how many percent? 8. It's 14%, less than 14% done overall. Then right now for polls, because I want the player to be able to revisit the manner with the boy. Or should I not? I think I'm making this too complicated. 90% is for the current area, but there's like 7 or 6 areas in total. Should the player be able to return to where they've been to? I think it's a yes because there'll be some items. I want them to be for some phase only, just to give some variation to the choices they can make. That doesn't impact much of the ending, but still unlocks different scenes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But hmm. Like, maybe some will be locked because there will be a secret item that it's kind of by chance. Remember, my whole game is about luck. Like, you're gonna waste one phase if you didn't pick it up if you went to that place before. I want to do it on purpose. Okay, fine. You cannot return to the place you've been before unless you need that thing again. I'll take a mental note. Not mental note. I'll write it down so I won't forget it. It should be in this world plan. Is this even relevant? I think it's more into the story. Cannot return to these secret places except if we need to visit the place with item in. Okay. Okay. Back to the task at hand. Wait. Yeah. Games are already done in solo teams. The amount of work can be crushing. This isn't a huge game though. It should be fine, hopefully. And then we're back to writing more dialogues. Where is pictures? Let's write the first dialogue when you enter the scene though. I'll copy from here. And delete these. If had seen. Okay. That's how I did it. Smart of me. Just in case. Wait a second. Is this really good though? I think I can delete this. How did I do it the other times as well? It's true this event, so it's not gonna reset unless I tell it to. Tricky. I just erase events. Will that really erase it? Wait, that's wrong stuff. Yeah. I'll just try it. Set control verb 2 vaccine 7. Yes, 7. She's gonna talk a little. She'll feel bad to go come in. So she'll use this pose because she's a bit hesitant to go into someone's mix. So hesitant face. I think this could do it. The air face. No. No. Yeah, this looks fine. It looks more like a default face though. Do I need a new face for this? I think it's fine. Copy. And I guess you can use the AML. Oops. Right here in here. Excuse me, are you in here? Okay. Then you can explore a bit. That one. Now she's looking at his stuff. These like in deep dots. That's the awkward mouth. No, that's not awkward mouth. Maybe sorry. How does that look when it makes a matching with the photos? But this expression fits. Looks a bit too sad. Maybe this one. This one should be... Well, they're matching. Okay. So I drew them together as a set. Okay, so now she's looking at this stuff. That's like... There used to be a merchant. This used to be like a merchant traveling cart kind of thing. It might not make sense, but you know, like space-wise, it might not make sense. Like there's a lot of storage here. There's more storage here. I guess there used to be more stuff in here or something. Or just, yeah, I don't know. He cleared it out. So it's like lots of blankets, I guess. Actually, what is this? It's just a random bag. She can just be talking about cloth. Like very. There's a lot of things in here. Nice and simple. You don't have to overthink what she says. And she'll turn facing the front. Turn down. Down, 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 down. Turn down. Because I just need to convey that there's also more stuff over here. I mean, she can convey it down here. Yeah, I'll convey it down there. There's a lot of stuff in here. Don't erase the event. We're just gonna change it to self switch. Okay, yeah, self switch A. Change the icon, keep the dialogues. And we can use this as a base. Copy. There is more stuff in here. Turn down. That's it. Yes.
Friend in need of a pick-me-up? Spread the love with a special song.
So many rifle
the 24/7 dedication
preserved.
Where you write the prompt and we sing the praises. Tap below to get started.
Add. Turn this off. Wow, it's been an hour. Congrats. It's now 9:51 p.m. A rainy one. Did we play this the last time? Oh well. There's many. Let me check my sketch. There's also cutlery. Yeah. Why is it not in here? Wagon. I didn't paste it in there. It's fine. There's food in there. And also food in there. Clothes, actually. So there's just like cabinet. Hopefully I make no spelling mistakes. Double checking. Okay. There's jars of preserved food in this cabinet. Her pose. Just a tiny bit variation. And remember to copy all of these in here. Wow, no. Okay, let's delete the last one. I think there's a, yeah. Okay. And well, maybe in here will be their clothes. Mm, Hmm. Will she really be snooping through other people's closet though? Oh, someone new came here. And let me check. M menu core. Are you using tiles for building? I'm an animator that just started programming and trying to understand how tiles work. Sorry, I'm not using tiles. I'm using a plugin called Orange Overlay. Usually in this game engine RPG Maker, you use tiles, but for me, I'm using a plugin which creates layers of background. So it's just pictures, it's not tiles. I didn't do tiles because it seems a bit complicated to me. But hopefully, good luck. You'll be able to do it. Let's see. Ah, oops. Closets. Should I peek? Maybe we'll give the option to peek. What's inside? Sure, that'll be cute. mm, conditional branch. Wait, what? Not conditional branch? Where is it? Choices. Yes, no. Maybe she'll blush a little. Is it weird to make her blush? She's like, oh no, it's their closet. I think it'll be fine, right? It's not that weird. She's a bit cheeky as well. So let's change the base to one where she's blushing. It's a closet. Should I take a peek? Should I take a peek? And if you say no, but what if he's hiding in there? Okay, how about we change the dialogue a bit? Because that's my initial plans. Like, dot dot dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, let me check the comments. Okay, good luck with your game. I'll be there to watch the whole progress. Thank you. I mean, feel free to leave anytime though. I might be working on this like 3 more hours. It's the holidays for me right now. So I want to spend as much time as I can before school starts again. Somewhere. So kind of encouraging the player to explore a bit. But technically, he's not here. You can skip this section if you get out. So that's why over here, I think we need to ask the player, should I get out? Like a question instead. No choices. Me? Yes. No, nothing happens. Fanfic lover. Oh, hello, I remember you. It's been a little bit while. I'm doing fine. I think I'm 90% almost done with the prologue. And there's still 6 more areas to do. But it is progress. Leave carriage, wagon. And consistency sake, I'm gonna call it wagon. Need the wagon. And that dialogue will be uh, this text box background. Um, play. Okay, let's see. Fanfic. Never. Have you tried Persona 5 Phantom X? Not yet. Uh, it's out, right? I think. I've seen a few clips, but personally, I really, really love Persona 5. But I don't think I'll play Phantom X just because it's like a gacha game. And I prefer story to be one off, you know? I want it to be finished on launch. Like, you can complete the story. For gacha games, it's a bit unpredictable how the writing would go. Like, what if the company shuts down before the story can finish or something like that? Or what if they want to drag it longer so that they can earn more money? So, I might watch someone else play it, but I won't play it myself. What about you? Have you played it? Anyone here in chat or fanfic lover? Have you played it? Persona 5 Phantom X. I played Persona Q2 though, the chibi 3DS dungeon crawler. It was okay. It's a bit boring in the end. No offense to the game. Hmm. Um. mm, Let's see. Please, right? Gotta look downward. Essence. Where is the one looking at me? Let's see. I guess the awkward one. You might overusing the more comedic styles of mouse. That's what. Okay, I change this 0. Change to this side. Um, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. It's closet shade. Take a look. Change the eyes for this one. Should I take a look? Should I take a peek? Yes, no, quite a piece hiding in there. She's gonna look more determined. Not blushing, normal. Determined. Confident. An O kind of mouth. Yeah, O. It's already O mouth. But what if he's hiding in there? Should I let... Oh, okay, goodbye, fanfic lover. It's okay. Do what you have to do. Don't come here if you're busy. Yeah, but good luck on your side too. Thanks. Okay. Should I make the main character be able to defy the player? The player is more of like a suggestion. All of the actions, all of the choices the characters make, I feel like is what the characters can make. So I think it'll be okay if she can defy the choices a bit. Oh. Okay. Let dance. Let. And she look a bit sad. And we lock the player out from choosing to look in there. That'll be fun. She looks sad. Fine, I should respect him. Eyes settle. And mouth pout. Is there a pouty mouth? I'm pouting, but not too comical. I guess awkward could work. Sad. Yeah, because the sad eyes kind of is very sad looking. Or she can smile, like the cheap smile. A little awkward. Let's see. Awkward. Yeah. I shouldn't snoop. Is the writing a bit too casual or modern, considering this is kind of medieval fantasy? I shouldn't snoop. Will it be out of place? Is it weird to say this? I shouldn't snoop. I shouldn't snoop. It's snoop. Snoop. Not that guy. Isn't there a feature where you can search? Like, since when the era is the word snoop used in medieval times? Not snob, snoop. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Snoop. Does that even mean the same thing in the oldie days? Pry. Maybe I'll just use the word pry. Snoop. Yeah, it exists in the olden days. The game's not gonna be that historically accurate. It's just inspired, but still still, I should try to keep it the wording as accurate, like not that modern as possible. Yes, it's new. Okay, and then new self switch. See, we're gonna new page. New page. Then there's nothing. You can no longer interact here. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Move. Move. Look down, face down. Turn down. It's a closet. Should I take a peek? What if he's hiding in there? Look. Now, inside, we're just gonna try to add some hints that a family used to live here. Hmm. It seems like the family used to live here. I think that's too direct, ain't it? Let's see. Galactical moonflower. Interesting. I wonder what's it's about. My game is basically two cursed kids. They're gonna look for a witch to dispel their curse, and if you don't find the witch on time, both of them will suffer and maybe die and maybe go insane. I don't know. You'll have to see. I'm still doing the prologue though, so don't expect this to be done soon. It seems. There's a dog clothes. There. Adult clothes? This is so weird. Like, the mature people, they're kids, so it makes sense for them to say. There's adult clothes. There's adult clothes. Like men and women's clothes. There's men and women's clothes. Okay, how about next right? And I'm mysterious. Yeah, it's wait, no, wait a second. It makes no sense. She says it's the closet. That means she opened it. So why should she take a peek if she already opened it? The excuse is the voice already in there. Nah, maybe the closet's just big. Okay, let's see. Galacto Moonflower. Nice premise. It sounds fun to play at night. The family thing sounds like a hereditary movie. I guess. I'm not sure. I don't watch a lot of movies. Okay, we're just gonna pretend she opened it a little. we're gonna add a bit of sound effect here to edit sound effects, open faucet, then oops, then close. Maybe yet, right? Uh, and next line. Yes. Go sound effects, open, faucet doors. Hmm. 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 Just thinking, how much of different dialogue should I add? Will it be frustrating if people realize that they can't find all of the dialogues or something? It's like unlockable unless you choose something in the first place. Yeah. They'll keep this dialogue the same for both if you choose to say yes. Looks like one's in here. It's in here. No one's in here. Let's see. Let's see. No one's in here. Oh. We got many clothes. Young clothes. How lucky. Like, because the boy is kind of a merchant son, so he naturally have more clothes. And for the girl, she's like farmer girl, so she kind of have the same stuff all the time. Many clothes. How lucky. And then, seems like there's man and clothes in the county, and not sure how line break over for my special text. Okay, I will test it out right now because like I'm gonna miss bugs if I do too much at once. Close this. Run. Close this. Close this. New game. Oh no. I went the wrong spots. New game. In here. Excuse me. Is it me or is this right a bit too much to the left? I thought it was usually more to the right. Let me just take a screenshot just in case, because I'm not sure. Elsewise, are you in here? Oh, we need to preload her face assets. I think there was a bit of a glitch with the flag. Is he hiding in here somewhere? Okay. E11, not it. Ah, it's a closet. Hmm. That's not kind of expression I. Um. Hmm. I think it's still fun. Should I take a peek? Maybe this should I take a peek will be a more mischievous kind of thing. News print. No. Does she have another closed mouth? Maybe this one. And one. And one. We save it for now. No. But what if he's hiding in there? Again, there's a bit of a flashing thing. I think it's because of this. And double checking this too. Yep. Okay. That's kind of a cute face. Snake jump scare in the closet. Nah, there won't be any snakes in there. Yeah, I shouldn't snoop. There's jars of preserved food in this cabinet. This face, I think it's fine to just do a normal face. Maybe I do need more faces. Yeah, save it. It. I mean, she doesn't need to be that close. Okay. Oh, yeah, I need to fix this height of gun. There's a lot of things in here. I had draw her lying down and just rolling on the bed. But would that be important still? For now, let's just focus on what's important. And let's see if it works if we try to leave. Yes. Yeah, the height here needs to be changed as well. And she should be here. Ah, you're smaller than her. Oh no, the movement is a bit weird. It's not a huge deal, but it's still. Can you guys see it? Like when I move, this doesn't align to the background perfectly. It shakes a bit. Doesn't quite happen if you're walking. A little actually, it doesn't. Oh. I think it's fine, it's not that important. Look how tiny it is. We need to change that. Make it consistent. But I'll do the interior of the wagon first. Debug. There's outside size. And same as car. Speaking about sizes. Oh, it's the same size. I got their difference. People outside of wagon also have wagon size too. And let's just go in again, and I don't think it will activate. Nope, it will activate it again. It will activate it again. Okay. Then we do need it to exit. Then I can do greater and equal instead. Sorry if this is a bit confusing to you. Thanks. So it doesn't quite erase the event as I wanted it to. New conditional branch. If the variable is smaller or equals to actually small, if 6, yeah, then we're gonna increase the cutscene number. And that should make it not activate twice. Hey, wait a moment. Wait. The size? It was the correct size before, but now it's incorrect. Not sure why that is. Okay, I had move. I might edit it. Edit. Else. Erase event. Yeah, that should fix it. Then it should make it spawn closer. See? Like, over here. Oh! I got it. Yeah. I got it. It's because the size. The size is set to what's 6, I think. The size should be 6 outside. So just make it back to the correct side. I think 6 is how long it zooms. Hopefully this is correct. Try again. Wait, yeah. Excuse me. Just hiding somewhere. Get out. Yep, okay, fix. And I should be the same height as him now. And that's the correct size. It's kind of weird that if we stand too close, we're kind of collide. I guess I'll have to do like a barrier around him. Yeah. Next time. Let's go in and check again. Is this where the closet is? The closet? Yeah, that's the reason. It's closet. Should I do pink? Looks like no one's in here. Yeah, I didn't change the expressions here. You get many clothes, okay. Okay, so the cutoff point is the same as the preview. Okay, it's like there's men's and women's clothes at the bottom too. But if you do that, we'll just activate. Yeah. Okay. I'm feeling slightly a bit tired because like yesterday I slept at like 3 a.m. because I was making child's clothes. So I'm already feeling a bit sleepy. So I'll just finish this one real quick. And it's like no one's in there. I want to draw new expressions for this. But I'm a bit too tired to draw. Fine, I'll continue this tomorrow. See? I think this is supposed to be correct. Yeah, I will prepare to end the stream, but let me just duplicate this. Just in case there's any game breaking stuff. I'll write down what we do today. Not too much, just added a bit more cutscene. Today is the 7th, no, 3rd of 7. We did coding. Unlock door with smashing rocks. Cutscenes here. Cutscene up. Garden finish. Big beach. And started wagon. Cutscenes. Not too much done today. This is more of the map design. New version into here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're gonna end the stream. Check out our link, update the links in the description. Check out this channel's music, it's really beautiful. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna end it now. So good night and don't sleep late like me. Okay, I'm gonna end 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.